In this video, I'll show you how to open a shared calendar in Microsoft Outlook quickly and easily. Start by opening Outlook on your desktop. If prompted, sign in with the account that the calendar was shared with. For work or school calendars, make sure you're using your organization account so the correct permissions apply. Next, switch to the calendar view by clicking the calendar icon in the left navigation pane. This opens your calendar workspace. On the left side, you'll see a list of calendars. Look for sections labeled My Calendars and Other Calendars. Click the small arrow next to each section to expand it and see what's inside. Find the shared calendar in the list and click the checkbox next to its name. The calendar will immediately appear in your main view. It may show side by side with your own calendar or overlay it in a different color so you can compare schedules easily. If things look crowded, you can toggle calendars on or off by checking or unchecking them in the list. If you don't see the shared calendar, confirm you're signed into the correct account and that the owner has shared it with you. That's it. Open Outlook, go to Calendar View, expand your calendar lists and select the shared calendar to display it.